Long ago, in the ancient city of Babylon, there lived a man named Arcad, the richest in the entire kingdom. People asked, "How did you become so wealthy while most of us struggle?" Arcad replied, "Because I learned the laws of money and followed them every day." Today, we'll uncover the 12 timeless rules that can change your life, no matter where you start. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay rent, before you buy food, before anything, save at least 10% of everything you earn. Money grows only when you keep a part of it. If you earn 100 coins, spend 90 and keep 10 for your future. That's your seed money. Wealth grows when you plant your seeds, not eat them. Rule 2. Control your expenses. Many say, "I can't save. My expenses are too high." But the truth is, expenses always grow to match income.
List your needs and wants. Cut what doesn't add value to your life. If you don't control your spending will control you. Rule 3. Make your money work for you. A man's gold must work for him. Don't let your money sleep in your wallet or bank. Invest in what you understand. Let your money earn more money. Wealth doesn't grow by saving alone. It grows when your money works harder than you do. Rule 4. Protect your wealth. Never fall for get-rich-quick traps. If someone promises to double your money overnight, they're not your friend, they're your lesson. Seek advice from people who are already successful. It's easier to lose money than to earn it again. Protect it wisely. Rule 5. Own assets, not liabilities.
Poor people buy things that lose value. Rich people buy things that create income. Before you buy luxury, buy assets, a small business, land, gold, or digital work. Luxury can wait. Assets can't.
Rule 6. Make your home an investment. Own your home and feel the pride of a free person. Build your foundation. Don't just live for rent. Create something lasting for your family. Even a small start counts. Rule 7. Create future income streams. Life won't always stay the same. Strength, health, or job may change. Build something that pays you even while you sleep. Investments, rental income, or online systems. That's how the wise stay strong when time gets hard. Rule 8. Keep learning and growing. Your mind is your greatest asset. Every new skill increases your earning power. Learn about business, people, money, and technology. The more you know, the more doors open. Knowledge pays the best interest. Rule 9. Build trust and reputation.
Money follows trust. If people believe in you, opportunities never stop coming. Keep your word. Be honest in business. A good name is more valuable than gold. Rule 10. Help others rise too. The person who helps others grow, grows himself. Share knowledge. Support others. When you lift others, you rise too. The more good you give, the more returns to you. Rule 11. Don't depend on luck. Some wait for miracles. The rich create their own luck. Hard work plus smart choices becomes your fortune. The right time begins when you take the first step. Rule 12. Stay humble and grateful. Be thankful for what you have while you work for what you want. Gratitude keeps you calm. Calm minds make wise choices. When pride enters, wisdom leaves, and money soon follows. These are the 12 timeless money rules. They're ancient, but still shape modern success. Save first, spend wisely, invest smartly. Keep learning, give back. Real wealth isn't just money, it's the freedom to live with purpose. Subscribe for more life-changing tips.